Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, February 17th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Since it's Monday, that means it's time to dive into the big market movers for the week ahead. It's going to be a busy one, so let's get straight to it. Before we begin, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So here we go. Another week, another market record. The S&P 500 closed at an all-time high last week, thanks to fresh inflation data that supported hopes for future rate cuts. The Nasdaq jumped more than 2.5%, while the Dow inched up about 0.5%. Now, as we kick off a holiday-shortened trading week, investors are keeping a close eye on corporate earnings and upcoming Fed minutes. Earnings season continues, with Alibaba and Walmart among the key names set to report. In total, 46 S&P 500 companies will release results, so we'll get another round of insights into how businesses are holding up. Meanwhile, the Fed will publish minutes from its January meeting on Wednesday, which could provide fresh clues on where interest rates are heading. So far, the market is still pricing in 1 or 2 rate cuts this year, despite inflation readings coming in slightly hotter than expected. Speaking of inflation, last week's Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index showed prices ticking up more than anticipated. But when looking at the details, economists saw some promising signs that the Fed's preferred gauge, core PCE, likely slowed in January. Markets remain confident that the central bank is done with hikes and will move toward cuts at some point this year. And that's what makes Wednesday's Fed minutes so important. Investors will be dissecting every word for any indication of when those cuts could actually start. On the stock side, the rally isn't just about tech anymore. Sure, Meta and Amazon have been standout performers, but it's not all about the Magnificent Seven this time. More companies across different sectors are outpacing the index's gains, signaling broader market participation, something we didn't see in last year's AI-fueled run. So, will the market keep climbing, or is some turbulence ahead? The Fed minutes, earnings reports, and sentiment data this week will set the tone. Stay tuned to Capital Markets Quickie for all the insights you need to stay ahead. I'll catch you all tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Cheerio!